ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ? ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ what is development I have defined. Now you are very clear about development. Today's video is on development administration, meaning, nature and scope. What do you mean by development administration? What is the nature of development administration? And what is the scope of development administration? Friends, as you know, development is positive change. Positive change in social, economic, political, cultural area. It is to bring progress, change which is positive is called development. Development can be social development, it can be political development, it can be economic development, it can be cultural development. So development is a change, but positive change in the existing system in the country or in the life of human beings. So development is positive change, and administration is taken from two Latin words, ad and ministerial, which means to look after, to care for, or management of affairs. So development administration is that agency of the administration which is responsible for bringing social, economic, political and cultural positive change in the country as well as in the life of human beings. Development administration is that part which is responsible for changing, bringing positive change in the social system, in the economic system, in the political system, in the culture of a country and country's people. So development administration is very important for a welfare state, for a welfare country, for a government where welfare is the main aim, welfare is the end, and government is the mean to achieve this end. Development administration is goal oriented, people oriented. It is change oriented administration. Development administration is goal oriented and change oriented system of administration where the social, political, economic and cultural positive changes have been brought up by the administration. So friends, development administration is very, very important in a democratic and welfare country. Now, what is the nature of development administration? Development administration is related to development. As every human being has its nature, so development administration has its nature because it's always related to development. That development can be social, that development can be economic, that development can be political, that development can be cultural. Even there is also a development of administration. One concept is called development administration, means that part of administration which is responsible for bringing social, economic, cultural, political positive changes in the society, in the life of human beings and in the country. And there is also a concept called development of administration, means bringing changes, positive changes in the system of administration, means technological upgradation of administration, use of updated technology in the administration, use of IT, digital administration is called development of administration. So these are two concepts, development administration and development of administration. Now, what is the scope of development administration? Number one, dynamic. The most important thing in development administration, that development administration is dynamic. It's really responsible for bringing positive change in the social field, in the economic field, in the cultural field, in the political field, even in the administration field also. So development administration is a dynamic part of administrative system of the country. Goal oriented. Development administration is goal oriented. Goals are fixed in development administration. This will be the goal for next 5 years, and development administration is responsible for the achievement of those goals. We will have this level of literacy rate in this year, up to this year, goals are fixed, and development administration is responsible for the achievement of those goals. So development administration is goal oriented, change oriented. Development administration is change oriented. It always responsible for bringing change in the social system, in the economic system, in the cultural system, in the political system, and this change is positive change, because development is positive change. So development administration is dynamic, it's change oriented, it's goal oriented. Next is the progressive. Development administration is responsible for progress in the country and in the life of people of the country. Whatever we are today, it's due to development administration. Think India 1947 and India today. Think our industrial position in 1947. Think our economic system 1947. Think about our social system 1947. Think about our cultural system 1947 and today. Today, whatever we are due to the continuous efforts of development administration. Next is continuous. Development administration is continuous. It never stops. It's always targeted to bring positive change in the society, in the life of people of a country. So it is a continuous process, you can say. Development administration is responsible for bringing positive change continuously. So continuous is also very important in development administration. Efficient. Development administration is efficient administrative system. Input and output ratio is evaluated. What is the input and what is the output of that input? So if you analyze, development administration is efficient. Effective. Development administration is very effective because it brings changes in the social, economic, cultural, political life of human beings and a country. So it's very, very effective. Capable administration. Development administration is capable administrative system. Development administration is capable, is able to bring change in the society, in the economic system, in the cultural system, in the political system, even in administration itself. So development administration is capable, able. There is a development capability in development administration. It's very, very important. So friends, development administration is that administrative system or that part of administration which is responsible for bringing social, economic, cultural, political positive changes in the society as well as in the country. Whatever today we are due to development administration. It is so important that without development administration there cannot be any development. There cannot be any development in the social system, economic system, cultural system, political system. Development administration is so important. It's a dynamic concept. It's continuous. It's progressive. It's efficient. It's economical even. It's effective. So there is development administration, and there is also development of administration means bringing positive changes in the administrative system, means bringing technological upgradation, use of IT, use of new concepts, RTI, citizen charter, good governance, participation of citizens in the administrative system. So friends, this was a short video on development administration. What is development administration? What are the goals of development administration? What is the nature of development administration? And what is the scope of development administration? Development administration is also responsible for planning, for social planning, for economic planning, for cultural planning, for political planning of the country. So planning is also in the scope of development administration. Whatever the plans are implemented from 1947 all are due to development administration. ਸੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਅਗਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ YouTube ਤੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਪਣਾ ਬੜਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਤੇ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਸਸਟੇਨੇਬਲ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ what do you mean by sustainable development and what are the goals of sustainable development how it is possible sustainable development very important okay friends ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ next video ਤੇ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਸਲਾਮ